What's up? It was a crazy day yesterday, windy as hell. It was totally epic. And the wind turbine did very well, standing up to the beastliness all day. But it seems like the tail has furled and not unfurled. That's a wind turbine term. If you don't know what it means, look it up. So basically I've got to take it down and I need to put a new tail on it, which is fine. So what I've done, I've just transferred the wires from the cables from there onto the gin pole because it's not centralised. As it comes down, these become over tightened, some of these cables, so what I need to do is stop it halfway down and see how they are and loosen them off a bit. Now the brake is on, but it will still turn around a little bit. See what it gets to after I reach the tail wheel, straighten up, and just actually going down the sideways. I'd actually had a change of heart then when I thought I saw the tail sort itself out, but it obviously didn't. So I've just got to underneath that weight. It's a big red over here. Lovely day, isn't it today? Nice day for a bit of wind turbine action. Bouncy, bouncy. I'll show you this while it's down in case I forget. I've got two of them and I'm going to put them on. One's going to go there and one's going to go right at the top. And I should be able to see them with the camera so I can level stuff up easier. Sweet, we're down. It's a good, good winch, that thing. Hello, baby. You did well yesterday. I'm very proud of you. Oh, that's what's gone wrong here. Look. You see this? Sorry, it's a bit bright. And we show it on. This thing, like. This thing is supposed to be a stop, which is supposed to come off at that angle. This tail is doo-doo. This tail is doo-doo and needs chucking in a bin, but I might try putting it back on for now, so yeah, get that done. Nails don't look too bad. A bit wobbly on the top, but yeah, sweet. It shows how powerful the wind was yesterday that that's just bent that right round when it should have been up like that. It's done a bit of a bodge for now. It's definitely better. I've just whacked that straight-ish at the moment. I put it back down because I forgot to mention, or did I? I've got two of these. So that's going to go on right round the top, and then I'll be able to use the zoom of the camera, hopefully, to check if everything's level. So yeah, that fits on like that, so that's good. Happy with that. It's definitely not going anywhere. Tail's not flopped round yet. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Oh, it's not bad, but it's a little bit wobbly. See? Bit of bounce there. Let's go and tighten them wires up. Yeah, it's picking up though. So yeah, they're pretty cool. As you see how much it's moving. That's not me moving the camera. That's still. So yeah, let's go do those wires up. How's that? I've got 100% put the brake on because I've got to do the gym pole malarkey. So you should see it grind to a halt pretty soon. That's following the wind, lovely. Look at that. That tail looks way. Tail's still got a wobble. But then again, it's going to while the wires aren't done up properly. Just go put the brake on. Right, so it needs to come over more. Yep. Hello, Cody. Good boy. Hello, Cody. Oh, that's getting better. That's not bad. Good. I do love turnbuckles. I'll be honest, I've never used them for anything else before. They're wicked. Get this nice and tight. And then we'll see where we are on the old Spirito Leveler. When they reach maximum tightness, as they are now, if you want to adjust that more, you've got to undo these. Okay, so you'd undo that all the way, tighten up, and then start again. This one on the front isn't too bad. Then we've got a wobble, but now these can help me work out what way the wobble is more, if you get me. So yeah, I'm well happy with these things for 4 quid each. That's the one halfway up, so, well, 2/3 of the way up, so you can see clearly the turbine needs, the tower needs to go over to the left a little bit. So I've got it, it's not too bad, so I'm just going to go take the brake off. Yep, that'll do for now. Tail's still a bit of a bodge, but when I get some new plywood I can make a new tail. Still go wobble wobble. The thing's gonna get shaken to death, look. I know why that is. Basically just going to go around and tighten all the wires up. See it bouncing a bit. It's a nice wind though. Whoa. Jesus. She's a ripping. She's a wobbling. It could get interesting. And that bubble's going to have a hell of a headache in it. So have a quick look, see what the meter's doing. So I just made 621 watts then. Shaky, shaky, shaky. I'm going to go have something to eat, then I'll carry on tightening up.